The world is past certain mindsets. Why should we keep sad over people that are never going to come and applaud us?
Yeah.
I don't believe in that. And if he's doing whatever he does, let him do it. Whether he's the state agent, become one too. Who doesn't want to be a state agent? Who doesn't want to get money? Who doesn't want to have a YouTube channel that pays them? Even if it's just $100, who doesn't want that? Who doesn't want to see themselves fly out in a first class? Those are the
Man United Arsenal match.
Like everyone wants it, but
yegatta ku bantu yegatta ku baana ku bakazi niwe yegatta ku kwegamba abantu abo
tekina we kimufuulira mubi
wamaanyi
bw'amaanyi. He should share that charm if he has a charm, because what would make him bad if maybe someone came out and said I was slept on forcefully. Nekubona tewali oba abona bali mu video banyumirwa
abaka edit wawa kagundi kende byo nga bagamba nti yabadde AI
ate wali bya AI.
So mbaniriza ku S Media Uganda, thank you so much okubeera wano. Nga bweri nkola yaffe tubane Matilda chichi, what's up?
Nothing.
I love that red lipstick.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Today I'm very smart.
Very, very smart.
I don't know why.
Sichitegeera buli omu waali azanywedde nga omutulaba bannange abatatwagala tetulina kyabbakolera
okujjako basabira
nga naffe muntu yenna nga tanjagala abantu tulina obbasabira kubanga balina obba abalamu batulabe nga tukikubidde eddala bafunire eddala ensonga entuufu ez'otukyera. You know, when you make it, of course people have to hate on you. They have to bring out all the bullshit, all the mistakes you made in your past poverty days. Yeah. So naye munaye tetulina kyabbakolera, we keep moving.
Otabadde nno yinadde njagala kugamba onaye gundi YouTube ya Kasuku bagitwala
nabiwuliddeko awo nga bagamba bagitwala oba someone just said it as a suggestion.
Suggestion. Oyo omwami yagambye nti it's high time ba YouTube bonna bakoleko emikolo naye yabadde agambye YouTube nga bbiri naddala ezireeta ebintu ebyekisiru.
Yengaani
nga muna struggle.
Man, I don't know why those things annoy me. Like not everyone is on that business.
Business about struggle.
Yeah, like whether it's a struggle or a war or man, some of us just don't care. Like sometimes we see certain things and we're like, oh Jesus, like it's just a whole mess. Let me tell you something. You cannot convince people out of forcing them, and just come up with something new. Kati, oyo yabigambye akola mu UCC, akola ngani? Are they like
anti omanyi kati TikTok osobola ku reporting account y'omuntu ne bagitwala.
But then that doesn't come out well. What picture is it linked to themselves as strugglers?
Ati bagamba nti gundi state agent.
Bebamanyi. Like let me tell you, and even
era nti aleeta ebiboozibozi ebijja abantu
no, let me tell you something.
No,
kankubuulire kino ekintu.
Mbeera nnyo mu byekisiru.
Every time people, if someone tries to do one thing and they fail to do it, and you do it perfectly, they'll think there is something backing you up. Some people are just lucky and favored. Yo abaleeta ebiboozibo ne binyumira abantu ne babibeerako. Are we forever going to be sad on that? Worry about Museveni and his government and all that crap political bullshit. Like we're all in a whole state of mind, in a very different one. People are looking at big stuff. Oyinza kusanga Kasuku bamugamba tabimanyi nako.
Abimanyi.
No, like ebibe state agent. Omema tubakera ne bakuwa omulimu. Nga nawe bambi obadde togulowozanga nako nga nawe balina ogukuwa tebakumanyi tebakulowozangako. You're simply doing your things. People are stressed. People are worried. People are going through stuff. So if someone comes up to give them a show that is entertaining, to divert them a bit from all their stresses and all their bad days, why do you have to come up and, create your own narratives on what they're doing and where they're getting all the how do they call it? Obuvumu bwabwe bwonna kye balina kitegera as if we wake up tomorrow and our show is all over the place. Oba nfuna bulungi nnyo. Oba ne tutuukako ne mu America nga batuyita ne tunya mu nnyonyi first class ne tutuuka ne tukomawe, people are not going to say, these people, we saw them when they were starting. They are going to say, Matilda or Esther has slept her way to the top. Or someone somewhere in government, like, man, I don't know why people attach other people's hard work on silver plates. People really work hard. Everyone has seen where Kasuku came from. And they see the kinds of people that he
I love Kasuku.
Me, I love him. I did not have any issue with him. Like, he has gone through it all. He has had wrongos, he has had good days, he has had bad days. Some people have beefed him, he has beefed other people, they've made up, I know a whole history that you can look at and you say this person has really worked hard to get here. Kakati mwagala omuntu ku sente z'ateeka mu channel ye n'abantu bakubira n'abaliisa n'aba facilitation and all that thing to be on that show. Ebeerawo ng'eri awo bwetyo, it doesn't grow, numbers don't come up.
Bagala kala okubeera awo taleta bya kisiru. Ayita kubirigata ku struggle.
What struggle? Like, not everyone is part of
struggle. Aren't you the struggle?
No, me, I'm not in that stuff. I'm not. I have my own struggles. I'm not about to worry about other people's struggles. Then again, nine ebyange. Siza kongerako byabalala. Same as the other people that support Kasuku. They are probably as Matilda, Boba na bali mu byabwe buli omu yeekerera kwekolera sente zegenda waka kwebaka to date people that love them and want them happy, and like the world is past certain mindsets. Why should we keep sad over people that are never going to come and applaud us?
Yeah.
I don't believe in that. And if he's doing whatever he does, let him do it. Whether he's the state agent, become one too. Who doesn't want to be a state agent? Who doesn't want to get money? Who doesn't want to have a YouTube channel that pays them? Even if it's just $100, who doesn't want that? Who doesn't want to see themselves fly out in a first class? Those are the
Man United. Arsenal match.
Like, everyone wants it, but you know, those are the impacts or the challenges we face as we succeed. You get what I mean? Kubanga bayina tunabagamba mu luzungu bategere nti ensonga, it's nothing. Like, you cannot just come and attack someone over their success. Kati bagala yabeerawo ng'ali bya bulijjo bye byamanyira ayambadde ekiti-shirt n'ekisapatu. No! Mwagala musange nga Esther ali ku boda okuva w'omutandiko mu 2020 paka 2027 ali ku boda. Ebintu tebigenda tambula ng'abantu bagala bitambule mu ate nga boogeza emitima emibi. Oba kitegeera, if Kasuku is having numbers and you're saying he's not in the struggle, how do you buy him?
Yagamba it's high time bana struggle bagende ba reporting account ba scale reason. By the way, reason wawe chinchezi jukide n'ekijjukira agamba nti yakoze statement nagamba nti amanyira abantu bennyini abagala ne bamuwagira, so it's high time bajje for
abamanyira atya
aleeta ebyekisiru aleeta ebyekisiru. I
need to understand the ebyekisiru part because twetaaga okutegeera ensonga eyo bulungi. Twagala omanya where are you basing from to hate on this person that is doing their thing. You've seen them, they were once on TV, probably radio. You saw how, was it for them to get off radio to start concentrating on their projects? And they're doing their projects, they're being successful, and then you're coming up with your weird ideas. Man, to me, I really honestly want to inform whoever is planning on that crap, it's all bullshit. But tebina je kitwala gwanga yaffe.
Katwala ekintu era nakyo nga tekiri okay. Kati balabye nza babagambye nti tekijja kusoboka. Babagambye nti ekyo bakola ekyokujja account kiyinza okuzibwalamu. So I saw a certain guy omulala nagamba tugenda kukima yo yokka n'abakulangira natandika ozimenya. Is it worth it?
No, like, let me tell you, Esther. one thing you should understand in this life, every time that you're getting up and standing up, there is a person that's
trending.
Not trending. Let's just look into success itself. Even if you're not a YouTuber, you're just a businessman, or you're working in a certain office or whichever place. Abantu wabeerawo omuntu nga akulize woyimukira bwe bati akwata okugulu eroddemu ogwe omulala akulaba okubyeko steps 3 nga akutega kyakutezengera ogwa. So that is the world that we move in, you know, and those are the things that we go through. Enkya nookera n'ogamba, you know what, nina bye nayitamu and now I'm here. Oba kitegeera kyobalanga abantu abasinga when they are lately bw'olaba ku social media bakulaga neoba ng'oli successful otya, don't let the world know. Be successful in your own space and let people just see things happening, you know. Bwaba balaba Kasuku luli yajjanga ku show nga talya mmere kati bamulaba asika ebifi bwaduula bwasika kino bwasika kiri si buli muntu nti abakitwala nga kiri light, you know. Abamu balaba yeeraga abalala kyatumanyira kyatujoga, you know. But everyone has the freedom to do whatever they want. Alidde mu sente ze, let's say yanze agamba mwaba mwagira nafuna obusente amumulekera ate kati yandizifunya ate nga tetumuwagira bameka bola abatamuwagira abayina sente because
ndawa sina bangi nnyo
like ate kakati let me tell
you 15 abantu limu biliyoni mmeka
labayo mu Uganda abantu abamu ngabo bebaleetera eggwanga okulika nga liri very toxic and bad that some people even opt to go elsewhere babeere nga bali successful nga tebabalaba. Mulabe kizimbe nga bakizimba nga temumanyi nnyini kyo.
Mugambe kya
government minisita yabbye biliyoni mmeka yaze nazimba onenga bizimbe by'abantu ba bulijjo. But because people have very bad hearts, oli asawonze munnange ngenda kufuna Brian muweereze ng'omudidi anzimbire. Okitegeera, as long as they have receipts for where they're getting their money from, tikiri lawful, tekimenya mateeka. Ajja kola ebintu and we don't know. Do you know who the owners of these buildings are? Mama, aba government ne baba binyonyonyo kye balina flat zino zonna ze tulina mu ggwanga. No, kati abantu babeereyo ne bakola ebintu byabwe. N'agamba nze okwewala entalo n'abantu n'okusika sitaani yonna gy'ali ajja nnumbe kankole ebyange nga sitaani talaba tawulira.
Kituufu.
You cover yourself with a mask and then you do things. Nga tamanyi nti that's Esther. They can't identify you.
Yeah.
The moment he identifies you, he brings his agents. But me, I would say maybe what I've learned from his scenario, even if I make it and I'm so like freaking rich, no one is going to know about it. Neda mwino manja chimba kweka.
Tuiza mtagana ku Zanzibar ne tunapostinga
everywhere. Temuna natunyumize ebyo.
Mukulikeyo mu koti.
Man, ebintu ebyo nabyo. Twavuddeyo obunkenke buyitirivu nnyo.
What went wrong?
Oh, meanwhile, yesterday nabadde nga ndi mu jam when I was coming to Makindye and I saw Honorable Muhammad in Seriko. Yeah, I was on my border and he was right, he had like parked right on my...
Let's mbuzi zako.
Nga mbuzi zako chichi. No, I just saw him and I'm like, I think I know this guy. Yeah, omanyi mujja. Nga mubuuzaako ki?
Honorable waffe.
Ndeka nze seefasa abantu modole eyo. Bwankuba omwenda mbidde.
Honorable tasobola. Honorable nsereko. Ekyo takisoboka.
No, alizoba nga takisobola.
Musajja mukakkamu, musajja mulungi nnyo.
Naye omuntu
Honorable muntu w'abantu. Muntu w'abantu nnyo Honorable.
Tetuminaako buzibu.
Yeah.
Neze I wouldn't. Nenga namulabye.
Omulesa mmeka?
Nga nzija.
Ngojja wa.
Awo wankubidde amasimu otuuse wakati nga mulabako wali nga Yono Honorable akijjanya.
Yada
mu bya kooti ebyo.
Bambi balwanye bambi okufuna. Balwanye aja afune beyiro naye waliwo ekitaagenze bulungi.
Kyonna kye kiri, they understand a lot better.
Hey.
They understand a lot.
Nengolooza enneeyisa eyo kijja kwanguyira omwami ono okufuna bail. Because I think n'omulamuzi atyamu n'agamba naye ki ekinaabeerawo outside.
Enneeyisa etya?
Ey'abantu abo okutiisatiisa. Omanyi kituufu waliyo abantu abawagira Even last time we talked about that thing of recent. Twakyogerako of recent. But now, waliwo olina gye nagamba ne batiisatiisa kale omukyala ebintu ng'ebyo. I don't think it's the right thing.
No, it's anagamba ku the other show. Of course it's not the right thing, but
yeah.
Omuntu naye nga ye omukyala oyo ayina okwewumuza. Okitegeera olina okwewumuza. If you're having your case in the courts of law, settle down, calm down. Kakkana tofuuka kirala. Don't come out and then now like of course she has to play a victim. Okitegeera, but she brought it up all to her by herself. Tetulina kyamukola baneze simusaasira. Okitegeera byonna ebimuli mutukako bano badde bagamugga jambula ku nassa badde gwekyaba omanya people are frustrated and people sometimes share the same problems and challenges just maybe from different people. Kati goveringa you are culprit to what someone is so tired of. Kyeyalemu okukola Esther ajja kyetikka kyonna akikole gwe ng'olaba alina kyakola kyeyejjako. So it's very sad and it's just sad.
Kikumazeemu amaanyi.
Tekimazeemu maanyi kuba munange sina nnyo kyamaanyi kyenkyagaza. I'm sorry bana munansonyi oluganda olusituula. Kyenkyagaza naye oba olabanga byonna biringa nga firimu biri awo tebitegereka. Today we are doing this, we are doing that. Though I want to appreciate all the people that have been there to support that gentleman without knowing him. That's also favor. Abantu nabeene bakulwanira olutalo nga tebakulabanga nako tebakumanyi. Omwami onamulaba ssebo yajja mu kooti luli ogwasooka.
Yazze n'akaaba amaziga.
Ekyokaaba munnaye abantu bo bakaaba. Era omulaba mwami wa kyejo. Si kyejo ekibi but very emotional. Haven't you seen emotional people?
Tugyeko ebiboozi byo naawe.
Nze ne bonyiza n'ombogolera kisookunkaabya kyoba ombogolera. I don't like that. I don't like people that shout at me. Nkaba. Ojigoli guy kyagamba.
Wali guy akubogoledde evuddeyo.
Oyo guy omulaba kati.
Aganda
Guy ambogoledde oyo like not kumbogolera but he didn't back at me. I don't think I'm also one person you can back at and I let you go free like that.
Yeah.
Do I?
I know together. I know you would.
No, like seriously, you cannot back at me and then you go with it, even if it's my fault.
Okay.
Yeah, I believe there is a better way you can approach a situation in a calm way, and of course it turns out with great results. He was just arrogant. Okay, you're in business. If I ask you a question like, can I have another person to work on me, and then you show like that has annoyed you, then I don't know where the fuck you came from. Because in this new world, we ask questions like, Sebo, oba oli busy nyani alizo okunkolako time. I'm here to withdraw money. Someone is waiting for me to cash them. No, let me tell you, Esther. Kankugambe chovola abantu sibuli nti afuluma n'agenda e Bulaaya asobolayo. Sibu tosobola nti nepewo nyingi nnyo nti whether sit there.
Yeah, they can't keep time.
So harsh. They can't keep up with the upgrading of time and attitude from different people and abalala bamanyire byobegayirira otukeri nga teri agenda kwegayirira. Abalala bamanyire ebyokudda okumala obudde omulinde y'abalaaka ettaano mutwalo. Like who has the time? Come on. And if buy a machine to help you count your money. Yeah, so he pissed me off but that's whatever.
Tubadde tuli awo ate ab'omusajja. Nege abantu beegatta.
Oyo. So
omusajja yeegasse 400 sex tips. Bagamba 300 but abalala bagamba 400 sex tips.
Yes.
But now the problem, this guy abadde tumuyita minister, tumuyite chief.
Abadde mukulembeza
ali mu bya finance, ade mu bya finance awo. Ati bamugaye bagende bamukebere ne bagwa ku kati mbino nga banoonyereza namujjako essimu ye bagenda kuwa sex tips 400.
Bagamba na bino gye biri.
Naye ng'okumayo omusajja oyo mubi yebaka ne kuba yebaka ku bantu abamuli around bakazi baabwe.
Mubi atya? Togamba ati mubi, gamba w'amaanyi. Mubi atya?
Yegatta ku bantu, yegatta ku baana ku bakazi niwe yegatta kwegamba abantu abo.
Tekina we kimufuulira mubi.
W'amaanyi.
W'amaanyi bw'amaanyi.
Okay.
he should share that charm. Okay. If he has a charm, because what would make him bad if maybe someone came out and said I was slept on forcefully. Nekubona tewali. Oba bonna bali mu video banyumira.
Abaka edit. Ya wawa kagundi kende byo nga bagamba nti yabadde AI.
Ate wali bya AI, let me tell you. Mama, no. I think I see us also at the see us same. The only difference is that his hand that has been caught. Yeah? Singa wadete bamukutira te singa tetumumanyi nenge ebyo bintu biri buli wamu. You go and check out, like there's so many guys that do those things and they do not care how you're related to them. They do not care who you're related to. Yeah? Some guys are just about sex. That man had a very beautiful woman with very beautiful kids. In fact, has. Nenga akulaga ne bali abagala. And of course,
Etwagamba nti fear men tuba tukitegeeza.
But as kyova olaba siwolereza mwana mutabani wa Farao.
Sure. Wano tubadde kuki?
No, okwolereza kwengamba nti they cannot do that.
Okay.
Yeah? I cannot put
ekitegeeza ne ku nsonga eri.
Eriwa.
Eri eyoli. Gye tubadde tukayanirako ennaku zino. Ayinza okuba yakikola.
No, that's a crime. This guy didn't commit any crime. Tulina kitegeera. There are no, like, there isn't any evidence.
Office misuse.
I tell office misuse, what if they were working after work? After 5? Who knows? We don't know what time they were doing their crap. Who knows what time they were doing it?
Nigga, yeah, I got the 400
like, just sit together. What's the duration? He has enjoyed life beyond enjoyment, and the way he has been mingling these ladies, oh my God.
Chichi, I know chi. Near Guinness record.
Yeah, he did it.
Guinness book of records.
Yeah, he did.
Yeah. Kali tuve wano.
Nenga choche yakoze.
By the way, tubambye okusanga omukyala omumbu omu kwawe yerabye ka video ke yesse.
Tetumanyi yo tetubinaako bukakafu.
Newe
kibanga kya era still it's not his fault. It's like if a man comes and tells you I want to sleep with you and you allow, you go in office, you pull your skirt up, you do whatever you want. Shit! What are you talking about? Like, it's not his fault. So if they're blaming you for anything, it shouldn't be any of that stuff. Maybe chiwainzo munenyeza. Yechi. Tewali era maybe nga ogambe office misuse.
Ndi wano nize gundi.
Chi.
Ande rotan. Karulu.
Ndio
gundi agenda kalya. Kamara. Don't pray. Kamara Arisi agenda kuwangula akalulu kano.
America sibinaako nnyo bwino.
Naye kusiza gye nabadde mpuliriza ali ku top nnyo.
It will all be good. They
are voting today? Or they are finalizing today?
Those are they are finalizing today. Bya America sibimanyiiko nnyo. Naye nga guy wa Equatorial Guinea.
Yakyekoze.
Ne mwana. I don't think I'm one kind of person you can record. Unless the camera is hidden.
Never record is a Matilda.
Is it? Of course the world would have fun.
They
would enjoy.
Your sex tape,
Yeah, they would enjoy my sex tape.
You're good, You're good.
No, I'm not going to blow my own trumpet.
Just tell me, you're good.
No. I do not know, but I think they would enjoy.
They will enjoy your wedding.
Yeah. But no, like
I always say people say I gonna kucheyo, but if that thing happens to me, I will go.
No, but the thing
otherwise I can't manage. I can't manage.
You know the thing about those sex steps, like you know there's some guys that are just too curious. Yeah? That's a way of marketing yourself.
Teyabadde marketing strategy.
No, it wasn't.
Naye mmeka lwaliwo okyala agamba kale bannaye ensengo yo gayi mufuna.
Era
yabadde akola ebintu.
Ate abadde ali fresh nnyo musajja anyirira nnyo. Teyina ngeri gy'ogaanamu omusajja ng'oyo. He has a big place. He may probably earn some good money. He looks good. You know, sometimes...
Naye ndowooza mu abantu abo baba balina bye bakola.
Ate bitya?
Abo abantu bangi nnyo. Abo abaana abo. Abakazi bina. Pazinga video nga zeddamu zeddiringana.
Ayina videos bina with a few ladies. Not video
but the amount of sex.
The number of videos are just the ones that are many. That is why abana este mirundi 10. Kama bitubala abakazi nga ana. Nga buli omu 10.
Kale tuve wano.
Kiboko 10.
Tubasibule.
You guys, if you're out there and you're cheating, try not to get caught. Because when you get caught, you come out as the dumbest person. So make sure that if you're doing or whatever you're doing, you're very smart, okay? And if you're doing it, make sure you do it with someone that's like as smart as you are. Ate okunganya zaje.
Tugenda kwegatta esimu yo jimpe.
Sisimu. Bwe baba kwegatta, gwolonde ekifo.
Ne
kasokiriza okulondera owedde kyabala abasajja mbatya. I don't. If you know you're going in with a man, especially even if it's your boyfriend, make sure you pick the place.
Otherwise,
don't let them pick for you the place. Otherwise you tell us after. Nga tukula ku TikTok oba kukyojja. Bakuyisa
tubagala nnyo. We meet next time. Tolina Matilda. We meet next time.
Bye bye.